Let's be honest, we've all spent way too many hours manually painting trees or trying to fix those hollow geometry gaps in our building sections. Well, Lumion 2026 just fixed both of those problems for good. Today, I'm breaking down the release that is all about unlocking your time. We're covering the smarter rotation gizmos, the massive resolution leaps, and a new cloud organization. Make sure you watch through the final chapter, where I'll be testing the new AI-driven upscaler to see if it actually holds up at 16,000 pixels. The results genuinely surprised me. Starting a project has never been this flexible. Lumion 2026 introduces a suite of new templates and example scenes. If you've ever struggled with getting your lighting right in the first 5 minutes, these are for you. Check out the Marble Lake House scene. It's a perfect example of how the engine handles complex lighting conditions right out of the box. We also have new templates for macro nature shots and even retail shopping area setups. Pro tip: don't just ignore these. These templates aren't just for beginners. They're pre-optimized with the best ray tracing settings, which means you can swap in your own model and get a professional grade render in half the time. Now let's talk about the biggest time saver in this release, the area placement tool. Say goodbye to manual painting or clicking 500 times to create a garden. You now have two powerful ways to populate your scene. 1. Select a surface. Click a material like a lawn or a plaza, and Lumion will instantly scatter assets across that entire surface. 2. Draw any shape. You can define a region by adding nodes, almost like drawing a path. This is used for creating organic edges or complex landscape zones. But here's where it gets technical. You can select up to 20 different asset types at once. You can control the density, the collision, and the randomness. Lumion handles up to 5,000 objects in a single placement. It even has a live density preview so you can see exactly how it looks before you hit generate. Of course, it's not just how you place things, it's what you're placing. Lumion 2026 adds over 200 new and revamped assets. The highlight here is the 73 new photogrammetry tree assets. If you aren't familiar, photogrammetry uses real-world scans to create 3D models. The result? Bark textures and leaf structures that look hyper-realistic even in extreme close-ups. They are the small details that sell the realism of a scene, and they finally look as high quality as our building models. Layers can now be reordered to improve usability and keep your work organized. Now for the architects and designers who do a lot of technical rendering, the clipping plane finally got the upgrade we've been waiting for. Usually, when you cut through a building in Lumion, you'll see hollow geometry. It looks like a thin shell. In 2026, there's a new fill feature. With one click, Lumion generates a solid cap on your cut. You can set this fill to a flat color for a clean, diagrammatic look, or you can treat it as a real surface. You can apply a full PBR material like concrete, wood, or brick to match the actual structure of the wall. This turns a simple render into a professional construction detail in seconds. The rotation gizmo is now much more intelligent, featuring built-in angle snapping to guarantee precise and perfectly aligned placements every time. Finally, let's talk about the massive resolution leaps. Lumion has introduced an AI-driven 16K upscaler. Here's how it works. You don't need a supercomputer to render a 16K image. The AI upscaler takes a lower resolution render and uses depth and normal maps to intelligently add details as it scales. The new 4x mode allows you to export billboard-ready images with unprecedented clarity. The 2x upscaler has also been improved to be more accurate, making it much safer to use for final client submissions. And for those of you doing VR or client tours, they've increased the panorama slots, and you can now organize your cloud uploads into folders directly from the Lumion interface. No more messy file lists. Smarter workflows, deeper integration, and at massive 16K resolution. Lumion 2026 really feels like the upgrade that brings everything together. I want to hear from you, which of these features are you going to use the most? Is it the area placement tool, or are you hyped for those high-resolution 16K renders? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more architectural visualization tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.